Hi there, it's Gabby here with Radiant Art Inspirations. If you're new, this channel is all about easy, fun, fast face paint tutorials every single week. Today, we're going to do a traditional wolf. Wolves aren't necessarily a common request, but it is a great design to have in your pocket in those moments where boys do ask for it. And they're like, I want a wolf. And you look at them and you say, I don't know how to paint one. Of course, you never want to have a moment like that, so this is a great design to have, especially for maybe boys that might be indecisive. They would love this design. Also, on our social media like Instagram and Facebook, we will also be posting step-by-step photos. We did do our very first one last week with the pink cheetah and got great feedback from you. So now we know to be constantly posting step-by-step photos on our social media. If you don't follow us, you should. And it's at Radiant Art Inspirations. Enough talk. We are gonna go from this to this. Let's get started.
With a sponge, load with white to sponge half of the nose and the muzzle. When you're sponging the muzzle, there's no need for it to touch the nose. And also create thin triangles for the inside of the ears on top of the eyebrow. Make sure to also sponge half of the eyelid and half of the bottom of the eye as well. Next, with another sponge, mix silver and gray to create the fur. Sponge the ears in a pointy shape, a little bit of the forehead, and the rest of the skin of anywhere that doesn't have white on it. It's also important to make sure that when you're sponging the nose, to sponge the nose area where the white isn't touching. I think it's a more flattering look than having the whole thing painted in white. We forgot to add the beard, so when you're sponging the white, just make sure to also sponge the bottom area of the beard in kind of a round triangular shape. Then with a number 2 or a number 4 brush, draw the nose. Make sure it's kind of a flat nose, which looks more like a wolf. Then with a number 1 or number 2 brush, draw a backward teardrop, along with outlining the muzzle to where you sponged it in white. Then with the same brush, just add 3 rows of dots inside of the muzzle. And then outline the ears. When outlining the outside of the ear, try to give it a kind of fuzzy look since wolves are furry. Do the same on both sides. And then draw the inside of the ear with a bunch of little lines, but kind of thick to give it a more masculine look.
Don't forget to subscribe, please, please, please. Don't forget to hit the bell, please, please, please.
The same brush, outline the beard. When you are drawing the fur, there's no need to make the lines too long because you're just shaping it, but not trying to make it the center of attention. Then just add little fuzzy lines for the forehead and then create nice long pointy fur on the cheeks on both sides. But save the white area for the next step. When outlining the white area, you want to make the fur a little more stubbier and short, this giving it a nicer look. Break time! This is not coffee, but just chocolate milk with a touch of coffee because we filmed at 2 in the morning. We need to stop doing this. Now for the fun part, outlining the eyebrows. With the same brush, try to create angry looking eyebrows, but that are not overpowering. Once you finish the top part, with the bottom, add a bunch of lines all connecting to one point at the very top, kind of bringing it down below the eye. Don't forget to add teeth in white. You can either use a number 2 or a number 4 brush and then make sure to outline. Last but not least, just paint the bottom lip in black along with creating a thicker triangle on the top lip. Yay, you're all done! Give yourself in this video a thumbs up. Here's a close-up version of the wolf. We hope you like it. It's so much fun to paint and it's something that everyone will love.
We have a really exciting bonus video coming up this week, and the title is How Face Painters Can Make Money Now. Bye bye!